ईट।
हेलो, क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, घर में बैठा हूँ।
मुंड मार रहा है।
नीचे नीचे
हो गया।
ओ टुडे इट विल रेन, टुडे इट विल रेन।
क्या करेंगे?
जा लड़की के साथ। सी यू, टाटा, बाय बाय। बेड की लोग क्लोज जा। This is the car my brother met with accident and still nothing happened to him. One
चिकुक
Italian who take one spoon like this, take towel.
I eat like this.
Where is our emoji? Only facsimiles of me in emoji. Fully sure.
सीधा आ जा।
Bro, some dinner right?
लौड़े तेरे ही, हम लोग तेरा घर पे आने का सोच रहे हैं।
Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your JJ and as of you know, this is my personal vlog. I don't know how do people take vlogs and all. Like, if we are taking vlog and if we are going somewhere, pakka we need money, bro. Money is what we need. Otherwise, chumma if we make vlogs and roam. This is my personal vlog, no? So, I'm like, okay, let's see what we can do today, especially like something interesting or something. This Chote is coming now. We are going to our lorry is in garage. We are going to check it out. My father has given me morning routine work. Every day my father gives this kind of work only, no?
That is fun work.
Huh?
At least time pass work.
Fun work. Only
No,
Gango,
time pass work.
only Gangopas is the one who is
Macha will call
not
him
come
now.
at all.
Will come call him also now.
Loud, every time he won't come. He will like Macha, I some work, I won't come. I want to eat.
हेलो, क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, घर में बैठा हूँ।
मुंड मार रहा है।
नीचे
हो गया।
Oh, today it will rain, today it will rain.
आते नीचे
Today tsunami will come, you see. Pakka.
बच्चा टेक अ U-turn.
Hold this. When they are recording like face-to-face camera, no? It looks like our face shape are changing. No? Somewhat that lens angle is somewhat different. When we take like this, ulta, it's like proper. When we take in front, no. It's like it's not like our face only, bro. Somewhat the lens ka shape we change our face shape also. It records full. I kept it in 0.5.
That's the reason I like iPhone का wide angle ला.
No? That's nice. Today macha pakka rain will come. This fellow suddenly without reason is gonna come. Nice. Yesterday, appa, you people, this guy also got irritated in football court. Arithro. I'm like, I was thinking, what happened to you in first player, Banike Lauda? You are roasting him. You are like mocking. He, he's not hitting goal, and you were like, when your t-shirt remove.
I'm just doing bakchoti bacha.
I know, but he got fully irritated. You are like, he removed t-shirt, you saw. Then only I got to know he's gonna play Rash. I was like, okay, he's gonna play Rash now. Better, like, be in distance. Whenever he comes near me, I just take it long cut.
I was like full on Josh yesterday, bakchoti Josh. I don't know what happened to me yesterday.
You loud ke ball. Yesterday I was like, oh, this is not Sumit. Sumit has taken my personality. No seriousness, nothing. Yesterday I was silent. Yesterday I was like,
And I was like, wow, Kichu, roasting. I don't know what happened. After
I
this,
don't know what happened to you. Suddenly he was enjoying at starting. Then suddenly he also started to ऐसा बोल रहा है बेंचोत.
after his scolding also I had that.
He missed the ball in the corner. You are like, you are the one who only laughing, okay? After that, everyone started to laugh. That is what triggered him. Then he went and removed his t-shirt. I was like, okay, this is time to unleash the beast.
I couldn't control it. I don't know what happened.
I also don't know. Yesterday, you are not able to control your bakchodi. He is not able to control his anger.
After his scolding also, I was like,
Yesterday,
क्या ही होगा?
I think I took Arithro's personality. I was sitting Suma side. Okay.
And he took my personality.
And not today.
And he took my personality, I took your personality.
I am the one who is won't be serious always.
Yeah.
Yesterday, you were quite opposite. He was quite opposite in everything. I was also quite opposite.
It was like very teda meda.
After went to the thrift and that party, no? The night we did. Oh, body was like Banky. You are not moving much. Your body is not moving. My brain says move, but body won't move. Yesterday I got one more damage here. Hey, macha, it's only bone here, da. It's only bone, no. What to say? He gave me the charma came off. Bone bone is paining, not that. That thing is not paining.
Macha, one small stone also touches like like that.
The bone pains, not the skin. Skin ka pain only 3 minutes. The bone is what hurting more. Then here one shot. Then I'm seeing yesterday, see? Here also something has happened. This also bone, Loda. Everything hits on bone only. We'll see what mood he will be in Arithro. Achha, we are not able to sell our thrift clothes at all, da.
Hey, it will not go so easy. It will take time, da.
My friend said he will say today, okay, if I'm able to sell one, I'm happy. First step will be difficult. After that, it will be easy. Reselling is nice, but we need tricks to sell. We have to talk to random people. Would you like to take this? This chota don't have power only. I thought I will go and ask like a mad fellow. After he comes, what is he doing in his house? He didn't come at all.
ओए हरित्र भाई कोल्ड शॉट मत कर बाइक को.
ए, कार में जाएंगे. Let's go in car. Yo.
अबे बाइक को कोल्ड शॉट किया क्या? अबे कार में.
This chota is taking the bike. We are sitting in the car. My father's old car, Zen. Dusty gold color. What are you doing, macha? My car will be open. Hey, not factory, da.
अबे कोई तो पेंट शॉप के पास जाकर आना.
Okay, तू लड़की के साथ जा. जा लड़की के साथ.
क्या करेंगे?
जा लड़की के साथ. See you, Tata, bye bye. Very close जा.
बस जाना एक.
Hey, no, macha, no girls. My father's known garage, Lauda. I'll go put it inside car, then I'll stand, I'll take video.
So what happened?
हाँ घंटा.
He'll be like uncle हो हमारी दोस्ती.
हाँ मेरा बाप मेरे को लगाएगा ना. तू नहीं खाया?
मेरे को लगा तुम लोग नीचे बुला रहे हो बाहर जाएंगे.
Hey, not for enjoyment. We call for some work.
Get the thing and come here. I'll have breakfast at home.
What macha? Okay.
उसमें एक सिपिंग आएगा. Open now.
Hey, loud! I'm opening this window.
अच्छा 10 रुपीस you have?
I have 50 rupees note.
नोट है उसके पास. चल ठीक है रुक आगे कॉल कर दो.
देख भिखारी से यार.
That's true. चलो off.
No money, no money. This is the car my brother met with accident and still nothing happened to him. Only one chotu ka stitch he has here. So see, you think he'll be alive after seeing this car ka damage? You think they'll be alive? Everyone said they're dead. 5 people also dead in the spot. This is car or what? Bencho, nothing is there here inside. Nothing left. after this damage. Come Macha, let's go. That Chotte now he is living happily. My father is the one who went to Kerala to buy one more car and come and repair this and give it to other guys. Ayadru will be there only, no, in Mallu. It's there in the Mallu, then nice. I thought my father will say, no, go take tarpaul and cover it. He said, I'll talk to that garage guy. Okay. Let's see. Yo everybody, we are getting bored sitting in this park. We are waiting for the Gangopade, but no use. This Chotte is sending photos to his girlfriend and saying, we are sitting here, we are enjoying here, we are talking. They are getting fully bored. That Gandu is also not there. We are sitting from a long time.
Macha, how much time will it take to have one breakfast, Macha?
Me?
No, per day.
He is not eating breakfast then.
Then?
Louder ke bali. He'll be eating. If he eats also, how much time he'll take? You know, no.
That's also true. He eats very slow, Macha. It's like chukuk.
Italian. We take one spoon like this. Take towel.
I eat like this.
Pee order or go.
Yeah.
That's all finished. My mom will be like, how did you finish this whole thing?
No, baby. We both are not having a date. We are just sitting and we are just chilling.
I'm vlogging.
She's like, are you guys having a date or what?
Macha, well, I know one runway generation I have born in. Some runway generation I have born in. Everyone thinks like we spend time. Like guys, we spend time. We talk water shit we can. We'll do water shit we want to do. Run nanga.
Macha,
run in.
Too big. Wait, I'm done. No, baby, we are not having a date or something. We are just sitting here, we are just chilling. He's vlogging and I'm texting my lead. That's all. And we are not on a date. Nothing. We are just brothers.
Hey,
Simply what's it?
your girl is getting spoiled just because of gay friends.
Friends are like that.
You know, I am shocked after seeing that.
Macha, girls are like that. Can't help it.
It's like they say, I want to touch you, I want to hug you, I want to kiss you, I want to slap you. What the fuck is
Macha, even we slap each other.
Macha, we slap, wantedly we slap. They're like, in the calmest way, they're like, I will slap you. Then what the text, did you see the emojis there?
Emojis even, or we don't send emojis.
Where is our emoji? Only facsimiles of main emoji.
Pakka she'll throw chappal on you. Pakka she'll throw chappal on you.
I'll be like, I don't know.
Let her see this vlog. When she sees this part, na, girls do this, we do this much. Girls just pakka she'll slap him.
Hey, it's true. It's not like every girl's guy.
What, you being a feminist, huh?
Not feminist. Why do they do that? We know if brother looks good also, we'll like, you look like Sapri guy. This is Sapri. He is one Sapri.
What is the Sapri?
From which state is that dialogue? Hey Sapri. Nice only. The Shaurya these people started saying. I'm like, okay, Chapri we say that, then Chapri, it feels good to say Sapri. I don't think so Gangopade will come. No. This Chotte will take time. The one who found the dialogue Chotte is me. I am proud. I'll get award, I think.
Lot of award.
For Bangaloreans, I found a word to say for their friends. Chotte fellow. Like this. Macha, come down. This Chotte won't come. The Sapri will be sitting and eating some noodles. Sapri.
He said he was in a
Come, we'll
meeting,
go.
whatever, corporate.
This Sapri don't know what to do.
He called me back. I didn't pick up. I just sent him a text saying that I don't want to talk to you.
Okay, we'll see you in the evening maybe when the Sapri comes.
30 minutes.
Gangapade Sapri.
It's delivered to my house. And I opened.
Jaden getting his haircut. Finishing touch, I'll show you guys afterwards. Chotte is confused which haircut to choose because he has curly hairs. That's the only shitty thing. curly hair he has. He can't choose which hairstyle he wants. Low fade doesn't suit. Mid fade suits. Mullet he can't because no hairs behind. However, we do hairstyle to be same hairs for him. After that, we'll see which hairstyle will suit him. We are now just chose this taper fade. Let's see how it suits. We don't know how it will be. Salah was sleeping from 1, 2, 3, 4, 4:50 or something. He called me to come, let's go play football, it's time. Then I just came off. After this, he called me, then I was like, I came a bit late, 10 minutes late, and we came for a haircut. Now the haircut is being on. See bro, fishes. This is the ambience. Chuku. Nice fish. I also come here only for haircut, for mullet. Must do it. Fully sure. Sida aa gaya. Turn. After football, we won this coconut juice. Only 3 pieces are left. Sumit. Chotte fellow.
I know what
Macha.
you're thinking. It's not gonna happen.
Macha, it's limited edition. Buy 3. Only 3 is left. Limited edition.
No, what the
You want that one or 45 rupees, bro? See here. That one 60 rupees you have to pay. This 45 rupees half liter. Yeah, it's more than half liter. No? 600 ml.
Keep it with
I said you buy limited edition.
Go, get this lollipop.
Hey, Macha, this. Buy one limited edition juice, bro. Take sparkling water. This is sparkling water. 60 only. Hey, that is not sparkling soda water.
This one he said.
Oh.
Acha, buy that.
Macha, limited edition. Buy it. For friends, you can do whatever you want.
Macha, that I'm ready to pay for myself.
Bros before.
I'll pay if I had money.
If you had, nobody don't have. Now you don't have.
Yeah, take it from
For friends, you can do macha. Pay.
I'm only not taking for
Ask
myself.
whatever she thinks, let her think. For friends, if she thinks, no problem.
Macha, this is only 5 rupees. Go buy that.
Sip. Sip. This one 3 members you can't. Let's take chewing gum on this. Satte will not buy us. Satte fellow. Goda. Just for a girl you are like damaging us. Just for one girl you are damaging. My mouth is already dry. If I take this more dry.
Have lollipop.
Hey, sticker. Holy. No tattoo sticker, Boomer. What sticker it is?
Boomer.
Tattoo or what? Hey, sticker. There was before they gave this. Boomer t-shirt. Hey, macha.
Correct जगह पे रखा हम लोग.
There was lipstick mark. I covered it with Boomer.
अबे लोड़े से दिखेगा. हटाना नहीं पूरा जगह पर नहीं हटाऊंगा पूरा जगह पर ऐसे
Changlu.
टेक लो
Jaden Boomerman. Boo man. Ayo.
मैं 62 है.
We'll say to your mom, Auntie, I'll talk in Malayalam.
Not visible.
I'm visible. You are only visible. Why am I not visible? Check.
Now you are visible. Come on,
Normally visible. We'll go. We'll say Auntie. I'll say in Malayalam. Auntie, he is a third guy. For 10 minutes, he will be your son. Give us kuska kebab. Then Auntie will say, okay, Mohane.
Bro, this is still on my forehead, bro.
Huh?
This doctor is not even letting me remove.
What?
See, pink lips. Hey, Sumit, बसा निकाल रहा. Hello. Mama, I want to eat chicken.
Auntie? Auntie? Put in speaker.
ಯಾಕೆ
Wait.
ಏನ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ವೈಲ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಓಕೆ
Hold it
ನನ್ನ
down.
ಹತ್ರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ
मुझे आधी रात को
मम्मी जाओ मम्मा मुझे बहुत टाइम से नहीं कहा मम्मा
Oh, it will pain like that if you hold. Auntie.
Please, they can't make at home.
बाहर से खा के आना खा के आएगा बाहर से
अच्छा
ब्रो हम डिनर आई
लौड़े तेरे ही हम लोग तेरा घर पे आने का सोच रहे हैं ये तो कैसे भी मलयालम में बात कर लेगा
तू क्या करेगा
मैं शादी से बैठ जाऊंगा अरे
शादी से
आंटी दादू दुई दादू बोलकर
दादी नहीं दादू
दादू दू दादू
अब लग आंटी।
दू
I will like, Amma, this is third guy for 10 minutes. We both are your sons now. You can ask anything related, but we want kebab and kuska.
हाँ that's all happy
It gives sparkling water. From that time only shouting sparkling water, sparkling water. Put fire and give karge. Sparks.
not fair
If I was close to your mom, no, think you won't get anything. Chumma, I say something. For emotions sometimes damages. His mom will call all the time where I'll be saying some shit. Okay?
Yeah, macha.
His mom will believe up. She'll call me 9 o'clock. Like, that time only you were saying something no, to Sumit. What was that? I was like, Auntie Chumma was joking. That time I was joking only you called him. Then she was like, hey, Sullel Jiva, don't lie to me. Say what it is. True. Truth you say. I was like, Auntie, nothing. Chumma was joking. You called at that time. I was like, I had to explain fully. It was nice. Aritra will be crazy. That's what I went home, no? Copyright, right?
that's not gonna change
Sing like this, no copyright. Which Loda will copyright this. I was there.
which song are you singing
Go. All I dream is for your love. All I need. We'll remove this light and go off. It's nice.
I want that in my bedroom
Yeah, no? Hey, everything will be separate connection. How did they give connection?
macha see here wiring it's connected
Oh, bench out.
see that
उसके आँख.
Oye, this पेड़ का again one more wire connected here. Again they connected there.
No.
From there now.
Oh, this and all we can't remove. Forget.
निकाल सकते ना. Take one चाकू, cut चलाक बोलकर. Go home. You know that connector will come.
चाकू, चकाक. करके think this also will be steel.
No, I have wooden का ना.
कैसा शैतान है बे तू
Okay, you know we get that connector.
Hey, I already have light in my room.
You know we get connector now. We connected and we plug it. That's all. Khatam. Will do. Macha, mosquitoes are biting here now.
Yeah, मच्छा लौड़ा.
Come again, we'll walk.
Hey.
अच्छा
Mosquitoes are biting, Macha. I thought there will be no mosquitoes.
Yeah, these old people will come and move here. That's why I think. He's sitting like a monkey. Come down. If it's who will come? Sleepy, yeah. जाके मुट मार, more sleepy. You will be dead in the bed. Say all that side.
मुझे आधी रात को सताने लगी
ओ किसी को सताना मत. पक्का डिवोर्स.
मुझे छूना चाहे मेरे पिंक लिप्स
Follow. What should I do?
What about you, Macha?
Dating हमारा बस की बात नहीं है.
मुझे छूना चाहे मेरे
Okay, let's go home. Home sweet home.
पिंक लिप्स
What pink slip?